Hi, I'm Chef Theo Smith from Great House Caterers, and today I'm here to talk to you about the menu items we suggested and the recipes behind them. So first of all, we started the new year, and what we thought is, everyone is trying to go with a healthier option. So our tropical tossed salad with soy vinaigrette is the recipe that I suggested. I say with the tropical tossed salad, the fruits have a little fruity element to the salad. I mean, it takes some time to go into the healthy eating, and I thought adding that fruit and the soy vinegar to the sweeter side of it just bring things in. The next item is our jerk sausage penne pasta in a coconut cream sauce. For those who are trying to cut back on the dairy, it's a perfect option with the coconut cream. Of course, you can add extra pepper flakes if you want, or maybe a little jerk seasoning in the recipe, but it's really up to you and your preference of heat in the pasta. The next item is a twist on a classic Japanese fried chicken. We use whole chicken parts versus the boneless chicken thigh in a traditional recipe. And we have the chicken marinated in soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. It's a great twist to the traditional fried chicken that you might go with. And we have it with a Scotch bonnet mayo, which also works well. And of course, our mashed potato. Just a plain mashed potato after we have all that flavor in the fried chicken. We just want to go a basic side item. All right, so there you go. 4 menu items which are pretty easy to prepare if you're working from home, if you want a quick, easy meal, if you're looking at a healthier option. The recipes are there on Observer's website and then, of course, Observer Food. If you want to reach out to me directly through Great House Caterers, you can go on our website, ghcaterers.com. Of course, on Facebook and Instagram, it's GR8 House Caterer.